Welcome back. In this video, I will explain the visibility options available when you upload a video to the YouTube channel. If you have uploaded a video and you are in the process of uploading, the last section what you see is visibility section. So if you click on next, you will see there are options available under visibility section. The first thing is private. You can share the video privately to any of your colleagues or your friend or even with your moderator so that they can check the content of the video and they can respond back if the video content is good or not. Also, you can enable this option to notify via email. You have to input their email address to whom you have to send the video link privately. So I am not doing this. I will cancel. And there is also another option which is called unlisted. So when you use unlisted option and upload the video under unlisted section, the video will not be searchable for any general public. Even in private also, it is not searchable. The video which you have uploaded, it will not be searchable. Under unlisted also, the video will not be searchable. But there is one gotcha here. When you use your video in unlisted section, and if you have kept your video under a particular playlist, the user who is browsing your channel, and if he browses this particular playlist Excel, he will be able to watch your video even if it is unlisted. Say for example, if you have uploaded your video and kept under unlisted section and made that particular video under the playlist Excel, if any user browses your channel and if he is able to go through this particular Excel playlist, he will be able to watch that video which you have made under unlisted section. Even though that particular video is not searchable by any public user, still when a user goes to your channel, browses through the playlist, he will be able to watch that video even if it is unlisted. So I will not make this particular video into a playlist. And you can also default the upload option under the settings. Under the general settings, there is an option available under the upload default. You can always choose the video to be under unlisted. This is the best way to keep your video not searchable, and you can schedule the video at your convenient time. Only thing is you need to ensure that you are not making that video under a particular playlist. So I have not selected any playlist. I will click on next. I will come to the visibility part again. And there is another option which is public. When you use this particular public option, the video will be available for the general public straight away. So you are basically publishing your video straight away and it is available. There is also another option which is called schedule. You can schedule the video during your convenient time. So if I wanted to schedule the video which I have uploaded at a convenient time, I can schedule the video. I can select the date and I can select the time during which this particular video has to be published. So it is always recommended to keep your video under unlisted section once you upload your video, and keep this particular setting as a default setting so that whatever video you are going to upload, it will be always under unlisted section. Once you are sure that you can publish that particular video, then you can either schedule the video or you can make the video as public. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share. Thank you and take care.